A Kitchari cleanse is a wonderful way to eliminate accumulated toxins in the body, in the mind, and the tissues. It improves your digestion and restores regular bowel movements. So if you haven't tried it yet, try this recipe. Sort and wash the mung bean, lentils, and the rice. Place the mung beans on heat and boil for about 15-20 minutes before you put the rice in. In a frying pan, we're going to cook the vegetables. So start by adding your mustard seed, cumin seeds, celery seed, and crushed coriander, along with some leek. Next in, we've got our 3 cups of vegetables. Stir to saute in the spices. It's the spices in this dish which help rid the body of accumulated toxins, help improve your digestion, and remove heaviness and congestion in the body. Add Hing powder and turmeric powder to the mung beans and rice, and then pour on the vegetables. Add some water and then stir it in. Once it's ready to serve on the plate, drizzle some lemon juice and enjoy. Improved energy and vitality and overall health and well-being.